Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm here with Sevi, our baby. Medyo natagal-tagalan kami mag-video ulit kasi medyo busy. And here we are at Disney Sea! Yay! Sevi, say hi to our viewers. Yay! Hi! Lamig-lamig po dito, siguro mga 4 degrees. Sevi ay cold. Pero ayaw niya mag-jacket. Hehe. No? Say hi. Smile, Pogi. Smile. Ayaw niya mag-smile. Medyo masama ata ang gising. Disney Sea. Daming tao. Ikot muna kami. Bye-bye. Nandito na ulit kami. Sa labas pa rin kami. And unang nakita ni Sevi is si Mickey Mouse. Kaso masyadong maraba yung pila. Kaya kami ay hindi napipila. Haba ng picture, napila para magpa-picture. Yan o, Mickey. Mickey. Wow, Mickey. Mickey Mouse. At si Sevi ay tulala kay Mickey Mouse. Yehey! Tulala? Di sumakit si Mickey Mouse? Buti na lang di siya takot sa mga mascot. Kasi may mga bata na takot sa mascot eh. So, thankful na pwede kami mag-Disney or mag-other, next time, Jollibee na lang.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
Hi!
With Sebastian! We are here in
Tokyo Disney Sea!
Woohoo! We're gonna pasyal today! We're gonna see if anong reaction ni Sebi with the characters and shows and everything! So keep watching the vlog!
Yay! Hi! Do you wanna build a snowman? Frozen place. Ano man doon?
Yun muna yung unahin namin today. Kasi kanina nag-book na kami na yung last Thursday na Rapunzel.
Wow!
Kasi nag-conflict sa show, so sana umabot pa lang kami. So,
Ay,
let's
sabay?
go, guys! Yay! Sevi and Dada goes to Disney Sea! We're going to enter the park na and we're going to Frozen! So, I hope ma-document ko lahat ng gagawin namin today kasi ito ang first time namin lumabas with an infant. So, let's go! Samahan nyo kami mag-struggle today. Kawaii! Nasa vlog na po siya. Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
Ang galing!
Ikaw? Hi vlog! So, one of the must-haves here habang naglalakad kayo ay ang baby carrier. Kasi mahirap kapag
Bigat
walang baby carrier.
Minsan kasi, park nila yung stroller. So, kung mga 2 hours yung pila, hindi kaya, ang bigat.
Yeah, so
Kailangan ng
always
tulong.
bring a hip seat. And ang pinaka life hack na kailangan yung dalhin ay friend para may taga-bitbit kayo ng anak nyo kapag kailangan. Always bring someone else. Charot. Aside from yourself and your wife or husband. Yun ang life hack para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapang mamasyal. Pag pagod na kayo, ipasa nyo sa kanyong kaibigan. Di ba? And the hip seat there na.
Yay!
Para kita rin nila yung view. I love you. Mukhang inaantok na ang batuta.
Ay, wait lang.
Ayan, so fixing muna sila ng ano. Tapos habang ako yung nagpapakahirap mag-vlog dito, sila ay nag-aayos ng kanilang carrier. Ayan, o, di ba? So habang namamasyal kayo, namamasyal din ang inyong cutie pie. Pasyal. O, di ba? Kanyang outfit check. Wow, shoes from Ninong B.A. And then ang kanyang Mickey Mouse pants. And ang kanyang poging face.
Ang kanyang Disney, sweatshirt.
Ang pinakamaganda dito guys, yung scarf. Kasi effective yun.
Wow.
Hindi pang tanggal lamig ba? Ayun lang! Name? Sevie. S-E-V-I-E. E. V. Victory.
Victory.
Yeah,
Okay.
V.
B.
I.
I.
E.
E.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yay!
Sabi, say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Ah. Yes, always ask for a sticker for your first time of your birthday. Thank you. Ah,
Sabi,
wow, the sticker.
Arigato
Wala siya sa may bed.
Say hi,
Thank you. Ay, how about the first birthday?
Birthday, okay.
Yeah, for the first birthday.
The birthday.
Her name is
Birthday.
L-E-L-E-X
X.
I
I.
E.
E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
yes.
it.
Thank you.
Yay! This first sticker ng first timer baby. Yay! Sticker again. So everyone will greet you again. Happy
Thank
first
you.
birthday. Wow!
How about you, Sabi, you want to put it your sticker?
Yan, para i-reuse na lang ni Mama. Wow! May ito, bebe. Woohoo! Welcome to Disney Sea! So, they're gonna ride carousel. So, nito kami sa may Aladdin Park. So, 5 minutes lang kasi yung pila, kaya itatry na nila tong Aladdin. We'll see kung ano magiging reaction ng mga babies. Kaya lang din sila makita kung makakapasok sila. May upuan pa kaya? May upuan pa kaya sila?
Look at Mama. Yay! Oh, hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Konnichiwa. Riding Aladdin. Sabi ng horse, ne.
Happy na sila ng mandar.
Oh, para. Yay! Konnichiwa. Arigato. We survived our first ride. Carousel.
Enjoy your ride, my love. It's called carousel.
Sumakay po kami sa horse. Sabi ng horse, nay! Oh, saya ng baby, Kuya Akoy, Wow. Sabi mo, Dada.
Ay, good.
Arigato, Dada. Arigato, Mama.
Yes, ano pong iyong reaction sa pagiging pahilo?
Nakakahilo.
Kasi sana... Ay,
Hi, neighbors. Di ba? Sabi ni Lexi. Hi, neighbors. Hi, guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Arendelle. Kung nasaan sila Elsa and Anna. Try sana namin yung rides nung Anna and Elsa Frozen Journey. Kaso, 200 minutes. Lagpas pa ng 3 oras. So, sabi namin, pasyal-pasyal na lang and picture-picture. Kasi maganda naman yung castle na sa malayo. Sana nakikita nyo, yay! Oh, di ba? Sebi's crying. Oh, no!
Kasama siya sa vlog. Ay, good.
Ayun, baby.
Sebi is enjoying the Arendelle.
The kindness.
Yeah.
You should take after bees.
Oh, bees.
Hi, nice. Knows how to listen.
Yes.
Having lots of fun today.
Yay!
You're a little bit bigger. You can come dance with me and Beast.
Yes, we're going back.
Woohoo! Woo! Yay! Ah! Pogi!
Then I want to take a portrait all together.
Yeah.
Let's play because.
Oh!
We'll see you in 5 years. We'll go back.
Come back physically.
Yeah, one is 9 months old.
A little bit young to go dance.
Yeah.
In a couple of years, you can come play with me and Chief. Play
Okay.
hide and seek, alright?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, rides tangled.
Woo!
Wee.
Wow. Iharap mo kaya siya. Tayo mo siya.
Yes.
Huwag dyan sa back.
No.
Ay, sit down.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Yay, rides. This is tangled in 3 minutes. Wow. Hmm? Wow. Buti pala gabi tayo pumunta. Kasi yung lantern. Yeah. Sabi oh. Si Flynn Rider. Wanted si Flynn Rider. Oh. Yeah. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Oh, that's Eugene. Yeah, Flynn Rider is real name is Eugene. It's Maximus. It's Ben is from Frozen. Ay, cold. Cold. Cold and Sebi. Ay, init. Wow, baby. Wow. Baby, si Rapunzel, oh. Nag-swing si Rapunzel. Oh, there's Pascal. We eat there, baby, kanina, oh. The Snuggly Duckling. We eat there kanina. Oh, baby, oh. Rapunzel's using her magic. Oh. Magic, baby. Yan, baby, sa kabila. Wow. Oh, baby, oh, lanterns. Wow. Wow, baby. Sabi, look, there's many lights. Wow, baby. Yes. is here, it's crystal clear, where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light, it's like the fog has lifted. Must I see the light? Wow. Baby, do you like it? Sevi, do you like it, baby? Are you happy? Huh, baby? Sevi, are you happy? So beautiful, no? Thank you for riding with us. Wow. Eugene and Rapunzel. Thank you, Pas. Wala. Thank you sa ano yung pass? Thank you sa pass. Na-experience namin ng Rapunzel without pila ng 3 hours. Ano sa love story lang.
So we're gonna watch fireworks in
The sky.
Are you excited to watch it?
Dad is excited! Oh, kuya koy.
We're gonna watch fireworks in a while.
This will start na. Sabi, look ha. Wow, lights. Sabi, look. Wow, fireworks. Wow, balik tayo pwesto. Oh, parang info. Here at SM, we got it all for you. Baby, look. Wow. Debbie, look at the other side. There's the fireworks, oh. Wow, fireworks! You see the light. Ay, bilang yan to. Papatulog ni Dada. Wow, baby, wow! The fireworks are moving, baby. At ang bata?
Pangit.
Mamangin. Sa bilo ko, daming light. Wow! Wow! Disney pa yun? Wow! Here again! Wow, baby, oh! Wow! This is daming lights, oh! Wow! Look, baby, oh! Dami pala lights, daming lights, baby! Baby? Baby, look, dami pala lights, oh! Fireworks! Hanabi? Wow, ang laki nun! Wow, ang laki nun, baby! Wow! Wow! Dami, baby! Baby, look, ang dami! Wow! Big circle! Wow! Wow, baby! Oh, wow! Wow! Wow!
Fireworks!
Wow! Ganda nung last!
New Day, New Dreams.